Welcome back to Cars Jade channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. The 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS redefines the iconic 911 lineup, merging tradition with innovation. As the first 911 model to incorporate hybrid technology, it represents Porsche's dedication to sustainable performance. This bold move aligns with the global shift toward electrification, offering enthusiasts a vehicle that balances environmental consciousness with exhilarating performance. The 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS seamlessly integrates hybrid innovation with the model's storied legacy, ensuring it remains a favorite among enthusiasts. With its enhanced performance, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to sustainability, the Carrera GTS represents a new era for the Porsche 911. Classic meets modern innovation. The 2026 Carrera GTS retains its legendary silhouette, enhanced by modern updates that elevate both aesthetics and functionality. Refreshed LED headlights. The new 4-point LED headlights feature integrated turn signals for a sleeker look. Active vertical air intakes. Larger air intakes, inspired by the 992.2 Carrera GTS and GT3 models, improve aerodynamics while maintaining a dynamic stance. Despite the added weight from its hybrid system, Porsche has prioritized preserving the 911's agility. Techniques similar to the WISAC package used on the 911 GT2 RS have kept the additional weight under 100 kilograms, ensuring that the Carrera GTS remains nimble and responsive. Step inside the 2026 Carrera GTS, and you'll find a cockpit designed to blend luxury with functionality. Fully digital instrument cluster. This intuitive display offers real-time data, keeping the driver informed about power distribution and energy recovery. Expanded connectivity options. Enhanced tech integration ensures a seamless connection to your devices and driving experience. Premium materials. Porsche's renowned craftsmanship shines through in every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the tactile feel of the controls. At the heart of the 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS lies a groundbreaking powertrain that sets new benchmarks for performance. 3.6-liter six-cylinder boxer engine paired with an electric turbocharger and an integrated electric motor. This engine forms the basis of the T-hybrid system. Enhanced output. The hybrid system delivers a combined approximately 473 horsepower and 570 Nm of torque, outperforming its predecessor by 40 kilowatts and 50 Nm. Supercar acceleration. With a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.0 seconds, the Carrera GTS offers thrilling performance that rivals supercars. While Porsche has yet to announce an exact release date, the 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS is anticipated to hit showrooms in mid-2025. Its launch will mark a significant milestone in the evolution of the 911 series, as it combines hybrid technology with the timeless appeal of Porsche engineering. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.